Hello and welcome. This is my PC that I made from spare parts. The case is missing the side panel, so it's a bit dusty. Inside is a 400 watt power supply from Modcon. For storage I'm using a 500 gigabyte laptop hard drive from Seagate. Works fine with Windows XP. The motherboard is an 8-bit LG95 with 2 GB of DDR2 800 MHz RAM. In the LG775 socket I have a dual-core Intel e4600 CPU clocked at 2.4 GHz from 2007. The GPU is an Nvidia Quadro FX 1800 with 768 MB of video RAM from 2009. This system mostly plays games from 2000 to 2008, so it should be fine playing older games. First, some synthetic benchmarks. In 4mark 1080p preset, it scored an average of 5 FPS. In 3D Mark 2001 it scored 29,520 points. The first game is GTA Vice City, running at 1024x768 resolution at a locked 30 FPS. In Vampire Masquerade: The Bloodlines, the game runs smooth, except when in combat. Need for Speed Carbon ran somewhere between 60 and 70 FPS. Driver Parallel Lines ran somewhere between 40 and 60 FPS. Condemned Criminal Origins run at a locked 60 FPS. Mafia 1 ran at about 60 FPS. Fable: The Lost Chapters ran somewhere between 60 and 100 FPS. Out 2 run at a locked 60 FPS. GTA San Andreas ran somewhere between 50 and 70 FPS. Fly 1 run at a locked 60 FPS, which dropped only when loading new areas. Max Payne 1 run at a locked 60 FPS. Max Payne 2 also ran at a locked 60 FPS. Morrowind ran somewhere between 60 and 30 FPS. When in combat it dropped significantly. Oblivion ran about the same, somewhere between 30 and 60 FPS, and dropping in combat. Postal 2 ran somewhere between 80 and 100 FPS. Silent Hill 2 ran at a locked 30 FPS. For some reason, the CPU usage was at 100% all the time. Silent Hill 3 ran at a locked 60 FPS. Saints Row 2 ran somewhere between 15 and 20 FPS. System Shock 2 ran at a locked 60 FPS. In conclusion, the system can handle some games, but I'm going to swap the GPU for something else. Maybe I will try the integrated graphics on the system, or I will try to install Linux on it. For Windows XP gaming, I want to upgrade to a more powerful system. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.